I'm Tony, and thank you so much for watching my channel. I do reviews on anything from health, fashion, fitness, and beauty. And today we're going to be doing something in the beauty category. So I received this product as a sample in the mail, so thank you so much for sending it to me. Hopefully I don't butcher the name. I've never heard of this brand before. I've never tried it before, so I was pretty excited to try something new. It is called La Roche-Posey. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It's probably some kind of French pronunciation. Let me put it a little closer so you can kind of read it. And it is supposed to be an ultra-fine scrub. Good for sensitive skin, and you can supposedly use it quite regularly. So I've tried this out for a week. I've used it every single day for a whole week, and it seems to be doing a really good job. It hasn't irritated my skin, so some scrubs are a little too harsh, and if you use them every day, kind of gives you like a rug burn on your skin. So this one's gentle enough that it doesn't do that, so I found that I could use it every day if I wanted to. So it does have little fine micro beads in there, so it's not very thick, not very harsh. So hopefully you can kind of see that. Try getting a little bit more out. So it's kind of like a gel. You apply it to your face, obviously, like a face wash. So it's like a gel with these very, very fine like micro beads, and I think that's why it's not quite so harsh. And I can't quite decide. It does have a very slight scent to it, but it's not like overly powering, like maybe like a floral. Just very light. So it is very gentle. I did really have a really good positive experience trying this product out, and I am looking forward to maybe trying out some of their other products. So they do have a full line from what I could tell online. So try to get that back in there, but it's not quite going. So maybe I'll just have to wash my face after this. So if you haven't tried this product, tried any of their other items that they have, moisturizer, just a regular face wash, let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to know your thoughts, feedbacks, and feelings, but I had a really good experience and I would recommend this. So thanks so much for sending me this to try out. I love samples. Gives you the opportunity to try something new. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and we'll see you again soon. Thanks so much for watching.